Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default file location for virtual machines in VMware. By default, whenever you create a new virtual machine, it gets saved in the Documents folder on your system drive. But if your C drive has limited space, or you want to organize your files better, changing this location is very important. When you click on Create a new virtual machine and go through the Setup wizard, you will reach a step called Name the virtual machine. Here, you will see a location field. This is where your virtual machine will be saved. At this stage, you can simply click on Browse, choose any folder or drive you want, and continue the setup. So yes, every time you create a new virtual machine, you can manually change the location here. But the problem is, you need to do this every single time. Now, what if you want to change the default location permanently, so you don't have to repeat this step again and again? That's the best option, and I'll show you how to do it now. On the top menu, click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. A new window will open. Now, look for the Workspace tab on the left side. Click on it. Here, you will see an option called Default Location for Virtual Machines. This is the main setting we need to change. Click on the Browse button next to it. Now select the folder or drive where you want all your future virtual machines to be saved. For example, you can choose a folder in your D drive or any other storage drive. After create a new folder or selecting an exciting folder, click OK. Then again click OK to apply the changes. That's it. From now on, whenever you create a new virtual machine, VMware will automatically use this new location as the default path. No need to manually change it every time. Make sure the drive you choose has enough free space, because virtual machines can take a lot of storage depending on the operating system you install. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.